Okay, just so you can see what you're up against right here, this is the Sawzall is giving us our best results in this case. So this is peeling open, and then we're getting into cutting into the upper as well, which is good because this all needs to go there. So that's worked out the best for me is the Sawzall. Okay, another look at the lower control arm mount. You can see the frame side has all been cut. Sawzall is giving me my best results. Now we got to get in here with a cutting wheel and very carefully trim across the bottom of the frame rail. We'll put a piece of sheet metal behind it because the gas tank's right behind it. We also know we need to cut a portion of this up and around, and then the upper control arm mount here is the next thing to go. Massive work. You can see what we're up against here. There we go. There's the upper right there. So now a cutting wheel across the bottom with a piece of sheet metal behind it to protect the gas tank. And then all of this needs to be ground smooth as well as up here. Remove the sharp edges. And basically I took the Sawzall and I cut up on the body mount. Now I need to come out this way and open this up. So that'll be the next thing we do. That needs to be done on both of the rear supports for the body. So we got it close. We're right next to the gas tank. So you can see she's ready to brake. And then this can all be touched up with the flap wheel and dressed up nicely. But this is a big victory for us getting that off. All right, nice job. Look at that. There we go, folks. Nice clean cut. Okay.
Whole thing. So I would say 3 inches ahead of that seam and maybe back in the body. Okay. Yep.
These get welded to the axle.
Just kind of
Shock mounts right here. This is that cradle or saddle mount. You can see it's prepped for welding around it. This will get put up into position and welded. This has got to get welded to the axle. This has to get welded to the axle. These are the upper shock mounts right here. These got to get fitted in, cleaned up for welding, and also get welded in. All right, let's see where we're at here. There we go, upper, lower, rear. Now we're looking at right here, these are the stock shock mounts for the rear, the uppers. These things need to be cut out. So the new shock upper mounts get welded in there. So all that needs to be cut out. And then over here, right here on the passenger side needs to be cut out. All right, Rock Krawler's giving us some dimensions from this hole over and then down. You can see the little cross right there. Got to drill 1.5 inch hole there. The reason being, you see that welded nut in the back of that? That needs to fit in there against the frame. And then this lower control arm mount can be welded up. There we go. Now Mike's getting busy with the welding of that. Okay, Mike is now working on the driver's side lower control arm mount. saddle,
looks all right.
the saddle bracket is clamped. Mike has tacked one end, and now he's on the front end. Right? Upside down welding.
So I would guess, if I had to guess, I would guess sometimes. Good luck getting this in. It's a little warm, I don't know why. Yeah. So that is a 2 5/8.
Yeah, it is. So here's the third link, the upper link with the 3-link rear, mounted in the saddle bracket. Notice that you have these rubber grommets that go to the left and the right of the joint. Okay, I think this is maybe episode 10 here at Cooter's Garage. So what you see done here today is you see the old control arm mounts, rear upper and lower removed, with the new Rock Krawler lower control arm mount all welded up. You can see the arm sitting in here. Very nice, very beefy. Oh yeah, got some dancing going on here. While Bill is driving that control arm in place.
Send it home. Not really.
And then you can see the third link is hanging from the saddle bracket.
A little more.
Throw some grease on that baby next time.
Strike to it.
Uh-huh.
I've been holding my hand up all day.
A little more.
Bill's running out of steam.
I am running out of steam. Oh, smokes.
There you go.
Steam,
Mike's got
money.
that bar to align it
All
so
the
we can
rest.
get the bolt through.
There she goes.
Terrific. How about that? All right. So yeah, so not bad.
Just gonna get it started. We'll have to take them out anti-season anyway, and you can paint away or whatever.
Ow.
Nope, under the spring.
You all right?
Bang your head.
Yeah.
Just get your head in there.
I think I dented your lift, quite honestly.
Nice. Or move that.
If you just move it, it'll go that way too.
It won't, the gas tank's there. He's right.
He is right.
Gas tank.
You don't know about that gas tank because you did the easy side.
You would start over there and I would end up
No,
over here.
hey man, I gotta work too.